another Safe and Sane demo for you. And tonight we have another TNT Fireworks. This is called, there we go, Crash Course. And what's interesting is it's one of those fountains that comes in a Safe and Sane assortment here in beautiful Arizona. Now I have it up here. Don't forget about the little glow fuse. We're gonna pick it up. All right. Now we're just gonna roll it here because I have it on this counter. Here we go. Fountain display. All right. There's everybody. Not really sure what the people are doing for the crash course. Looks like they're running through something. I don't know, but it's all good. It's all good. All right, so we got 3 colors tonight, which is awesome. You know, I tell you all the time, I sell t-shirts that say those last 5 words. You can get them on BBQRando.com. You really need them. And, well, let's say it together. You ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Light fuse and get away! All right. Now, performance says blue spark with golden soft crackle, silver rain with titanium crackle. All right. There you go, Ryan. Ryan's famous number. Oh, look at those 3 numbers, right? All right. There we go. Now, I'm going to flip it around. We look good. So, it's very light. It's probably a single tube, but you never know what to expect, right? So when it gets dark, let's go to the launch pad and let's light up TNT Fireworks Crash Course. You ready? Let's go! Alright, we made it to the launch pad. And are you ready to light Crash Course by TNT Fireworks? Get ready, light fuse, and get away! Whoa! Whoa! That was sweet barbecue!